Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Glam Donna, and I'm here today with another unboxing of the monthly exclusive beauty club May ritual bag. I started with this bag back in, it's got to be 6 months or more, and the first ritual bag that I bought was $59, and then after that it was $38 for each month after that. And the first bag was full. Like, it had so much stuff in it. I mean, I think it was a good bag to start with. So they have, I've seen other people do videos on this, and they happen to have brands in here that I actually use. So coming up first is Revision Skincare Soothing Facial Rinse for all skin types. It says a calming alcohol-free toner that gently hydrates skin after cleansing. This refreshing toner nourishes skin with a blend of plant and algae extracts, naturally fragrant with a light scent of lavender and rose, ideal for all skin types. So I'm all about a toner. I think it sets your face up hydrated and fresh, so that when you go to the rest of your makeup or your skincare, and then the makeup, your face is actually really hydrated. So this helps. This helps with that. So there again, that is a full size. Got to go back more. Yeah. I hear a noise over there. The second one, now see, I love Skin Medica as a luxury brand, and I actually have this BHA exfoliating cleanser, and it is so good. Now usually your exfoliating cleansers feel like there's sand in the lotion or in the whatever cream, but it doesn't feel like that. It's hardly gritty, but it does a great job on cleansing your face. So I would highly recommend, if you can, try this exfoliant, because it's amazing. And Skin Medica is one of my favorite brands. Then next we have Color Science, is another one that I like. This is their Color Science Barrier Pro Essential Moisturizer. Now it says, I gotta find it in English. Replenish hydration and help support improved skin health and appearance with this clinically tested formula. Color Science Barrier Pro Essential Moisturizer helps strengthen the skin's protective tone. That's not what it says. Okay. Helps strengthen the skin's protective barrier support and supports skin microbiome balance and refine texture for a more plumped, vibrant, and youthful appearance. Antioxidants are, this is so tiny, like I can't read it. Antioxidants are botanicals providing soothing, defense, and improve skin's resistance to daily environmental exposure. So this I would consider a full size. I just think it's too big to be a sample, and it's also too big to be like this one. This one is a deluxe mini, and this one could almost be in between the mini and the full. And again, I love this brand. They have really, really good skincare. I have a primer by them that, like, your face is totally blurred out, like smooth and blurred. Next, there is, this I believe is a deluxe sample. Replenish Glycolic Acid 10% Resurfacing Cream. I don't have my phone with me, so I don't know if you can see it. And I like things like this because it comes with a pump and not, I wonder if I could get it out. And not with like a lotion you got to pour on. But I am going to try. Okay. This hand gets all the good stuff. Doesn't really have a smell. But you can see it's like nice and smooth. Wow, that's really nice. I definitely have received this same product, but it was in a full size from a different box. Then we have Xerophyte Ultra Rich Body Cream Barrier Repair Moisturizer formulated for all skins. So let's open. This is another full size. It says, apply to damp skin after showering or bathing at least 2 times a day. For every skin type, layer over body oil. Oh, body oil, it does say that. If you're using prescribed medication, apply it first, then refer to the cream. So, and this is by World Cuticles. I don't know how to say that word. Oh, it's not open. And I'm always afraid to open it because I might not use it right away. Well, that came off. But we'll do it. I hope to do a video on products from from Exclusive Beauty Club. Okay, there we go. Now we're in business. And then we're down to the last two items. And I think you get these in every box or every bag. It's the Elta MD UV Skin Recovery Transparent Zinc Oxide Finish, 100% mineral filter, suitable for every every sensitive skin, and skincare efficacy. 2% AAC helps repair skin barrier and reduces the visible redness. I think this too could be either a full size or, oops, go back. Hopefully you can see that. Elta MD is like really good for when you're going to be out in the sun. If you want a good, good sun protection, because this is SPF 50 and it says face sunscreen, and a sunscreen should be part of your makeup routine, because no matter how long you are out in the sun, you need the extra protection. And I actually have brown marks and hyperpigmentation because back in the day we used to sit out in the sun in our beach chairs and we'd be putting on baby oil, or what we used to do was the Avon Skin So Soft is what we used to use, and now we wouldn't even think of doing that. And this is a roll-on. I don't think I've ever seen that. Let me see what the box says. This is a UV stick, broad spectrum 50 plus face and body sunscreen, but it's not, this has got to be a mini or deluxe mini if you want to call that. It doesn't really say. It says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply after 80 minutes of swimming or sweating, immediately after towel drying, at least every 2 hours. Sun protection measures. Spending time in the sun increases your risk of skin cancer and early skin aging. To decrease the risk, apply a sunscreen. So it should be part of your makeup. So it would be like your toner, then your serum, and then whatever other little, I use Medicate collagen and peptide cream. Then I do a moisturizer. And then sometimes I don't even use a moisturizer. I will just use sunscreen, and then start applying my makeup. So even if you just, you don't even wear makeup, or you wear, it's like a no makeup day, put on your sunscreen. Sometimes they're really good enough to act as like a primer or moisturizer. I'm telling you, this stuff is great. And it's always at my, what is she? My dermatologist, like, has this all over her office to buy. Like, she highly recommends it. And I'm telling you that this exclusive beauty club bag always has some kind of sunscreen protection in there. So that is it for this bag. I would be really appreciated if you could subscribe to my channel. It helps me do a lot more with my channel. And if you like this content, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.